always seem to have strange things happen to us when we're on trips. We went into the bookstore and visitor center, which we always do when we're in a national park. And all of a sudden there was this strange noise. And Bruce looks at me, and I look at him, and I said, "Put your stuff down that you want to buy. That's the fire alarm." So that's what he did, and we left. And then they announced, everybody had to leave the visitor center and the bookstore because the fire alarm was going off. Well, they had to get maintenance down there because apparently it was a battery and they had to replace it, and apparently they didn't have any right there, which was kind of strange. And it took them about an hour to get it all redone and let everybody back in again. So we got in and we purchased what we wanted and we left. But, it's always us. Always. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.